Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix this error saying unable to locate game files Minecraft Bedrock on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, I want you to open your Xbox, right? And then I want you to select Minecraft Launcher. And over here, click on the three dots, which says showing more options for Minecraft Launcher. Click on Manage, and then click on Files. Go to Browse, all right? And then click on Minecraft Launcher. It could be Minecraft Launcher for Windows also. Just make sure you have these folders and information on your screen. Go to Content, and then I want you to find the Minecraft application. For example, this. Or you can double click on right click to open, and it will automatically launch the game for you. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.